baby, you just wait on the fish. Every now and again.
Moss.
Yeah, every now and again. You don't have to jerk it hard. As long as you make some waves. Yeah, just give it a little jerk. Remember?
Hello guys. Ganda-ganda dito.
Did you do it, Chelsea?
Sa lake. Yeah.
So,
You know, ang laki
what
ng
Brianna's doing.
ano,
Watch, Chelsea, watch.
lake.
So when you gotta move it just a
Video.
little, watch, Chelsea.
Very nice.
So you do like throw it out
Here.
there. Look, Chelsea, when you let it move it like look. 1, 2 wheels, move it a little.
Nice one. We are here in Louisiana with my sister, guys. Ang ganda dito. Look at their tree. You know. Ang ganda. Ang laki.
Oh, I'm gonna say.
What the?
Ang laki. That's their own property.
Means you didn't catch squat.
Very nice place. Mga tree nila. Very nice. Yung mga tree nila. Dami.
Sometimes I'll be spending 10 minutes out here fishing hard, pulling the bait, doing all kinds of stuff. I'll be tired. I'm just sitting here.
Bahay nila Cecil.
Pull the bait out of the water. The fish is ready to bite.
I have a question. We're gonna
So I'm not even paying attention.
She's coming.
Line them up.
It's a nice weather. Very nice weather.
There you go. Yeah, that's perfect. A little bit harder, but you got it.